Hi, my name is Paige. I go to Carbondale Community High School in Carbondale, Illinois, and I will graduate in May of 2015. Thank you in advance for watching this video.
Hi, I'm Diane Doherty, an LPGA professional, and I coached at Southern Illinois University for 25 years. I work with Paige Bird. She's a great kid. I would love to have her on my team. She's a three-sport athlete, so once she concentrates on golf, she's going to be a keeper. Thanks for watching her video.